Did you know what happens to your body when you eat sauerkraut daily? That's right. We're talking about that tangy fermented cabbage dish that's a staple in German cuisine. Originating in China over 2,000 years ago, sauerkraut has since journeyed across the globe, winning hearts and taste buds along the way. Crafted through a process known as lactofermentation, where the natural bacteria present on the cabbage leaves breaks down its sugars, sauerkraut is not just a flavorful side dish, but a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. And when consumed daily, it can truly transform your health. But what exactly does this humble fermented cabbage do to your body? Well, the benefits are more than you might imagine. From boosting your digestive health to improving your vision and everything in between, sauerkraut is a food that keeps on giving. Stay tuned as we delve into the 10 amazing things that will happen to your body when you consume this fermented food daily. First up, sauerkraut boosts your digestive health. This tangy dish hails from Germany, and it's more than just a tasty sidekick to your bratwurst. You see, sauerkraut is fermented cabbage, and fermentation is a process that's full of digestive benefits. As cabbage ferments to become sauerkraut, it creates a host of probiotics, those friendly bacteria that are celebrated for promoting a healthy gut. These probiotics are like little warriors, fighting off harmful bacteria and keeping your gut in balance. But that's not all. A well-functioning gut is critical to digestion. It helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and even plays a role in immune function. By feeding your gut with probiotics from sauerkraut, you're supporting all these processes. And remember, a happy gut also means less digestive discomfort. Think fewer instances of bloating, constipation, and indigestion. So for a smooth digestive ride, sauerkraut might be your best partner. Secondly, sauerkraut enhances your immune system. Now, you may be wondering, how does this tangy fermented cabbage dish do that? Well, it's all about the gut. You see, our gut is often referred to as the body's second brain. It's home to trillions of bacteria, known as the gut microbiota, which play a crucial role in our overall health. When these bacteria are in balance, they can boost your immune system, helping you fight off diseases. But when they're out of balance, it can lead to various health issues. This is where sauerkraut comes in. The fermentation process used to make sauerkraut results in a rich source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help restore balance in your gut. By incorporating sauerkraut into your diet, you're essentially giving your gut microbiota a healthy boost, which in turn strengthens your immune system. So if you're aiming for fewer sick days, sauerkraut is the way to go. The third benefit, sauerkraut improves your brain health. You might be wondering, how can a cabbage dish do that? Well, it's all about the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication network between our gut and our brains. You see, our gut is often referred to as our second brain, and for good reason. It's teeming with trillions of bacteria, and these little guys play a massive role in our mental health. Sauerkraut is a probiotic powerhouse. These beneficial bacteria help to balance your gut flora, improving not just your digestive health, but also your mental well-being. There are numerous studies that indicate a strong link between gut health and mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. By improving gut health, sauerkraut can potentially alleviate symptoms of these conditions. So, if you've been feeling a bit down or anxious lately, perhaps it's time to give sauerkraut a chance. Want a happy mind? Consider adding sauerkraut to your diet. Fourthly, sauerkraut aids in weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. This tangy powerhouse is not just a tasty side dish, but also a secret weapon in your weight loss journey. But how, you might ask? Well, it's all about the fiber. Sauerkraut is rich in dietary fiber, an essential nutrient that keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. This means less snacking and fewer calories consumed. Moreover, sauerkraut is low in calories. A single cup of this crunchy delight contains fewer calories than most snacks you'll find on supermarket shelves. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are watching their calorie intake. But that's not all. The probiotics present in sauerkraut can also aid in weight loss. These beneficial bacteria aid in digestion, and have been linked to a healthier metabolism, which can make losing weight a tad bit easier. So, looking to shed a few pounds? Sauerkraut can help. The fifth point, sauerkraut reduces your risk of heart diseases. Now let's delve into why this tangy treat is a heart-healthy hero. Sauerkraut is packed with dietary fiber. As we all know, fiber is a champion when it comes to maintaining a healthy heart. But how does it work? Well, fiber plays a significant role in lowering our body's cholesterol levels. It does this by binding with cholesterol particles in our digestive system and moving them out of the body before they can be absorbed. Lower cholesterol levels mean a reduced risk of heart diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Moreover, sauerkraut's fiber content aids in controlling blood pressure and reducing inflammation in the arteries, both of which contribute to maintaining a healthy heart. So, not only does this fermented food offer a unique kick to your dishes, but it also helps keep your ticker in top shape. For a healthier heart, don't forget to add sauerkraut to your meals. Next up, sauerkraut strengthens your bones. Now you might be wondering how a humble fermented cabbage can do that. Well, let's dive into the science behind it. Sauerkraut is a fantastic source of vitamin K2, a nutrient that often doesn't get the spotlight, but plays a crucial role in our health. This vitamin is known for its ability to increase calcium absorption in our bodies. Just like a sponge soaking up water, our bones soak up calcium, becoming stronger and more robust. But that's not all. Vitamin K2 also helps direct calcium to the right places, like our bones and teeth, and away from places it shouldn't be, like our arteries. This prevents calcium from building up in our arteries, also reducing the risk of heart diseases. An amazing two-in-one benefit, right? So if you're looking for a natural and tasty way to boost your bone health, don't overlook sauerkraut. Want strong bones? Make sure sauerkraut is on your menu. Our eighth point, sauerkraut promotes healthier skin. This tangy, fermented cabbage is brimming with essential vitamins and minerals that your skin absolutely adores. One of the key players is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin against environmental damage. It also plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, making your skin firm and youthful. But that's not all. Sauerkraut is also a rich source of vitamin K2, which has been linked to improved skin elasticity and even a reduction in wrinkles. And let's not forget about the beneficial bacteria in sauerkraut. They help to balance your gut microbiome, which is closely connected to skin health. A balanced gut can lead to a reduction in skin inflammation and acne. So if you're looking for a natural way to slow down the aging process and keep your skin glowing, don't overlook the humble sauerkraut. It's not just good for your gut, but your skin too. For a radiant skin, sauerkraut is a must-have. Ninthly, sauerkraut reduces inflammation. Now let's dive into the details. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or illness. It's a protective measure, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health problems. Luckily, sauerkraut is here to help. This fermented cabbage is packed with antioxidants, those incredible compounds that combat harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals, you might recall, are unstable molecules that can cause damage when their levels become too high in your body. This damage often results in inflammation. But here's the good news. Antioxidants, like those found in sauerkraut, neutralize these free radicals. They essentially calm the storm that's brewing inside your body, reducing inflammation and the potential for chronic diseases. So whether you're dealing with an acute inflammatory response like a sprained ankle, or you're looking to prevent chronic inflammation, sauerkraut could be your new best friend. If you want to keep inflammation at bay, look no further than sauerkraut. Last but not least, sauerkraut improves your vision. Yes, you heard that right. This fermented wonder is packed with vitamin A, a nutrient well known for its role in maintaining healthy eyesight. Vitamin A aids in the formation and protection of eye cells, and it's essential for night vision. It's like your personal nighttime superhero, warding off night blindness and dry eyes. But wait, there's more. Sauerkraut is also rich in carotenoids, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are found in high concentrations in the macula, the part of your eyes responsible for central vision. They help filter harmful blue light, ward off macular degeneration, and keep your eyes in tip-top shape. So the next time you're in the grocery store, don't just walk past the sauerkraut. Pick up a jar and add it to your diet. Your eyes will thank you. For sharper vision, don't overlook the benefits of sauerkraut. So, these were the 10 amazing things that happen to your body when you eat sauerkraut daily. From boosting your digestive health to promoting healthier skin, sauerkraut proves itself as a superfood that can significantly enhance your overall health. It's not just about the tangy taste, it's about the wealth of benefits packed into each bite. Imagine, a simple addition to your daily meals can help enhance your immune system, improve your brain health, aid in weight loss, and even reduce the risk of heart diseases. The power of sauerkraut extends to strengthening your bones, reducing inflammation, and improving your vision. It's fascinating to think about how a humble jar of fermented cabbage can have such a profound impact on our bodies. But as we've seen, it's all true. The benefits of sauerkraut are indeed incredible and well worth incorporating into our diets. Remember, a jar of sauerkraut a day can keep the doctor away. Thank you for watching.